In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI cartoon image in Filmora. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get a clean cartoon-style image straight from your imagination, all without leaving the editor. Start by opening Filmora on your computer. Give it a moment to load the home screen. From here, create a new project so you're working in a fresh timeline. The default settings are perfectly fine for this, so don't worry about changing anything unless you already have a specific size in mind. Inside the editor, look toward the top for the Stock Media button and click it. Stock Media is where Filmora keeps built-in assets and, importantly for us, the AI tools. In the Stock Media panel, find the AI Media section on the left, then choose AI Image. This is the feature that converts your words into a generated picture. You'll see options to select the AI generator. Filmora may offer multiple generators or styles, and each one interprets your words a little differently. If you're aiming for a bold, animated look, pick a generator that mentions cartoon, comic, or illustration. If you're unsure, start with a general option and adjust later. The choice here shapes the overall style, so it's worth a quick look before you type anything. Now it's time to write your prompt. Think of your prompt as clear directions to an artist. Describe the subject first, then the style, and finally any details that matter to you. For a cartoon result, include words like cartoon, comic style, cel shaded, flat colors, thick outlines, or playful. You can also guide the mood and background, like bright colors, sunny park, or neon city at night. Short, specific sentences work well. For example, cartoon style fox wearing headphones, bright flat colors, thick black outlines, simple background, cheerful expression. Keep it focused and avoid cramming in too many conflicting ideas. When you're happy with your description, click Generate. The AI will process your prompt for a moment, then display the image right inside Filmora. Take a look at the result. If it nails the vibe, great. You've got a ready-made cartoon image for your project. If it's close but not perfect, tweak your wording and click Generate again. Small changes like adjusting colors, background, or expression usually guide the AI more effectively than rewriting everything. That's all there is to it. Open Filmora, start a new project, head to Stock Media, go to AI Media and choose AI Image, pick an AI generator, type a clear prompt, and generate your cartoon image. Experiment with phrasing and style terms, and you'll quickly discover the look that fits your creative vision.